Keep giving me hope for a better day. Keep giving me love to find a way through this messy life I made for myself. Heaven knows I need a little hope for a better day, a little love to find a way through this heaviness I feel. I just need someone to say everything's okay.